discovered this here little spurting leak from the well. That can't be good. Yeah, I got some grass clippings and there's algae, but well, I know what my project for tomorrow is. Alright, just about to undertake my little plumbing repair project. Just got back from my second trip to Lowe's. I managed to pick up most of what I needed, but what I thought was a can of primer, I ended up getting 2 cans of cement. Alright, so I've done my repair. I haven't switched the water back on yet. Glued and primered the crap out of everything because, well, it started raining, so we'll see.